me, let him put that package together and pay his salaries. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now, many of us, we do think that all hope is lost with Nigeria, so to say. But it appears all hope is not entirely lost. Many, including myself, most times we do knock men of God, but sometimes when they do things that are commendable, we must also commend them. The Catholic Bishop of Uyo did something that must be commended. The governor gave them 25 million. People clapped. And the bishop said, "Can I speak?" And he was given the microphone. He point blank told his governor, in view of everybody, that thank you very much for the money that you have given to us, 25 million naira. But, His Excellency, it will be better if you can add that 25 million in paying salaries. It means he understands that a man who is owing workers in that state, but yet not want to give him 25 million. Not many people will reject that money, but indeed he did. He rejected that money. And for rejecting that money, we must praise him. We must tell him that he has done well. He has done noble. These are things, these are virtues that many of us preach that people to begin to emulate. We must begin to look at those who would think are in position of authorities and speak truth to power. Personally, I know many people who do not pick calls, who think that if they see me, something terrible should happen to me because of one thing or the other. But who cares? We know that we have God in heaven, the creator of heaven and earth, that stand with those who will look men in authority in their eyes and say, no, what you're doing is wrong. And you cannot be a party to it. I'd use the opportunity to call upon you anytime you have an opportunity to speak up in a respectable and a respectful manner. Please, by all means, do. Because when all these things are over, we can only be remembered by those good deeds that we did for the public. I am Mazi. That's okay. Now watch the video.
On behalf of the people of Cross River, the government, my family, and on behalf of the Chief Justice of Nigeria and the entire judiciary, so that I save them. We have already whispered together and saved them the stress of coming one by one. We have collectively come together to make a humble donation of 25 million naira.
Is that how you clap for 25 million?
And for our bishop, His Grace, Bishop John Ayade, our own pride, son of the sword, the pride of we, the people of Northern Cross River State. I have a whisper for you over here too. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. This is a season of whispers. May God divinely whisper into your lives.
I want to talk. And I want to thank my neighbor governor. He's my brother. We are from the same part of the state. He will whisper to me later. Whatever he wants to give to me, let him put that package together and pay his salaries. Thank you.